This is a lion. It is yellow and brown. It has got one long tail and four strong legs. It can run very fast. It likes to hunt and sleep. It likes to eat meat. It lives on the plains or in the jungle. It says roar. These are giraffes. They are brown and yellow. They have got very long necks. They are very tall. They can run very fast because of their four long legs. They live on the plains or in the jungle. These are elephants. They are gray. They are very big. They have got two big ears, two long tusks, and a long trunk, and four big legs. They live on the plains or in the jungle.